ice cream, Blue Seal. Yes, behind the scenes right now. Annabelle, she's vlogging. She's doing her GoPro-y thing. And oh yes, look, it's Kurt. Scuba Kurt, yes, our scuba instructor. It's Blue Seal. Scuba Kurt, our friend Uzo over here. Yes. And we are headed inside. Okay, let's see what this is all about now. Oh look, we have friends. They're here, they exist. Hello friends. Hello, hello, hey.
You have to say hi. Hi. Hi.
Oh my gosh, okay. Hi Emily. Wait, okay, so what did you get?
I got the salt cookie one. The Okinawa salt.
Yeah, did you try it? How is it?
I have not yet.
Ooh. And she gets the first bite. How is it? Tell me your thoughts. I need to know.
Wait, where did I put my... Oh, they're in there.
What is that? Really good actually, and I don't like cookies so much.
Oh my gosh. So I got the ube ice cream. It looks really not good in there. Oh, it looks better right there. Oh, hey Nancy. Yes, Nancy also got the ube ice cream. It's more purple in person. I swear it's good, right? You like it? I mean,
I didn't even know this was, what is it? Yam?
yeah, it's purple. Well, it's a yam. Yeah, it's a yam.
I don't know. I thought it was like some type of bola.
You did?
I did.
Oh my gosh. And Annabelle's basic over here and got chocolate, but you know, we still love her.
I love chocolate.
Oh my gosh. Yes, more friends over here. Alright, so we just finished our ice cream from Blue Seal. And now we're going to... Yeah, we're going on a mission trip to find the American Village place.
Wow, those are bright.
Yeah, bright lights, shiny cars, you know. So, let's see if we can find this, right? Right, guys?
Right. Hello.
Lacey!
Hello! This is my best friend. We're on our way to a Ferris wheel.
Yeah, right there, right there.
And
Check
we're gonna
it.
go on it. And we're gonna have a bomb time! Woo!
Woo! Yes, let's go find it.
Let's go find it.
We found the American Village. It's right there, guys. Yep, we found it. The village, yes?
Heavy sleeper.
Annabelle with her lactose intolerant self. What it takes to get a good photo out here.
Yeah, let me get this snap.
Oh my god. We made it to the American
I don't know
Village.
what they're called.
I'm here. They're all outside, it's fine. Guys, look all of this Japanese candy. Just look at it. There's so much. There's aisles and aisles and aisles and aisles. I'm obsessed right now, guys. I'm just so happy. I'm in my happy place right now. We found Coolish. It's so good. Yes. Yes. We found it.
Annabelle.
And how does it taste? What does it taste like?
My dad's homemade ice cream.
Yes, it's just as good as her dad's homemade
Are you
ice
coming?
cream.
We're gonna take a picture. Are you coming?
She's joining. So we got some cats under here with Scarlett, aka Sydney. Yes. Oh, so cute.
it'll do it if you do flash.
Mermaid Girls Bar up there, aka my home, because my name is Miss Aquamarine, and yeah. Oh.
I'll take a couple photos.
We made it back, everyone.
Yay!
We're safe. We almost couldn't find a ride, but you know what?
Journey.
It was definitely a journey, but we're back and we're in for the night. So
We are alive and well.
that
It is a good night.
Everything.
That
Bye.
was some mwah.
Okay.